Hi everyone, welcome to PyTouch Summer Hackathon 2020. This is Karthik Nagarajan. I am an AI engineer from Spitely. Actually, I am very excited to submit my project to PyTouch Summer Hackathon 2020. Yeah, let's get started. Actually, this is my submission, PySmile app with PyEmotion. Here is my agenda, PyEmotion, BSmile, how inspired to this application, what is next, what are the PyTouch tool used. Let's talk about individually. First of all, PyEmotion. What is PyEmotion? How PyEmotion working? What is PyEmotion? PyEmotion is the Python package for facial emotion recognition, and it is built on top of PyTorch, and it will be supported various application development like web, desktop, and mobile. How PyEmotion working? Uh, we need to train a custom model, and the custom model will provide pre-trained models function. This is the exact pre-trained models function. Yeah, let's see how it will work. This is the simple Python program for testing the PyEmotions pre-trained models function. The result will be shown as a video. This is the exact result. It will detect the emotions like neutral, angry, fear, happy, sad, surprise. Uh, this is another simple program. This result will be shown as an image. Yes, exactly like this. This is the main application called BSmile. What is BSmile? How BSmile working? First of all, I am going to talk about what is BSmile. BSmile is a web app. It mainly built with PyEmotion Python package, using AI programs to detect the person's mood while doing their work. Why we need to use BSmile? BSmile not only detect the person's mood, it also helps to increase your happy face count during the stressful working hours. Yes, BSmile will send the funny joke during your working hours. Actually, it truly helps to increase your happy face count. So the BSmile's overall idea is to improve happy face count. BSmile also can detect the children's mood and give insights to online teacher. I mean, during the quarantine days, most of the people using the video conferencing call. So we can track the particular person's emotion during the call and online class, etc. How BSmile working? Using Python Flash to create a simple web app and implement the PyEmotions functions. This application based on three main pages. Let's discuss the pages individually. Welcome page, home page, report pop-up. This is the BSmail apps folder structure. I am going to run the application. We need to open this link. Yes, BSmail app starting. This is the welcome page. This is the start point of this application. Just enter the email to go the next page. The email option mandatory one. We need to enter the right one. Enter email option available at very first time only, not every time. This is the home page. Here you can see the webcam view and your emotion count. Click the report button to you can view your emotion count. In the report pop-up, we can see the percentage of the emotion Each and every 10 minutes, the application will show the funny joke. Uh, yeah, this is the one. We can also set the joke interval time. Yeah, it's like a cool, right? I'm just waiting for another joke. Yeah, why do sine and tan work? Just cause. Yeah, it's really awesome. How inspired to this application? I strongly believe the following sentence: every invention has personal needs. So that way, the idea came from during the COVID quarantine days. Yes, working with quarantine days are the worst part in my life. Each and every day I started with happy face, but ended with angry face. What is next? I mean, what is Bismill's next level plans and ideas? I will spend some time to develop this as a desktop app and share my colleagues and friends to use it. And it will be a best platform for online teachers so that we can easily detect the children's mood and give insight to online teachers, and need to add an option like every users can post overall report to their social medias, and will add ideal options also. What are the PyTorch tool used? This app mainly built with three things. One is Torch, second one is Torch Vision, third one is FaceNet PyTorch. I would like to say thank you to PyTorch team. Thanks for this opportunity.